Hello everyone, welcome to GMB Briefcase. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick introduction about our new module, Lead Dashboard. Here we can see this is the primary dashboard. From here, we can add the leads. We can select the lead using Google Auto Suggest. In case if Google is service area business and it is not getting populated in Auto Suggest, you can use the map CID or you can even enter the Google Map URL. Simply select the respective business. Then in case if you want to add some additional details such as email, phone number, or if you want to make changes to the search location, you can do that one. By default, we use the search GPS location of that particular business to identify the competitors. But in case if you want to make some changes to the competitor analysis, you can choose the one. Otherwise, you can skip it. Simply click on submit button and it will add the respective lead into the member area. Now the next thing which you can do is you can create the campaigns. Usually the campaigns are useful when we have multiple leads and we want to send them some drip feed email campaigns. In that particular case, it is very much important. What we need to do is before we create the campaigns, we need to go to the contacts and we need to import the contacts for the particular campaign. Either we can create a contact list first to import the contact and then we need to import the contact under that particular lead. In manage campaign, we can obviously create the new campaigns. Once we click on new campaign, we can schedule the multiple messages as per our specific date and time and so on. So that we can do. Even we can add existing contact to our email to the campaign as well. Under the setting menu, what we can do is we can make changes to the report branding. We can add the multiple email templates which we want to use while sending the drip feed campaign. We can obviously embed GMB audit tool on our website. We can generate the API key for the further automation as well as we can utilize the mailgun configuration. We suggest to use the mailgun as a SMTP because it gives us idea. It gives us better idea about like who opened the email, whether the email is clicked or not, etc. kind of stuff. So that is not possible using the normal SMTP like any normal SMTP or even using the Gmail SMTP. So this is related to a quick introduction. We also introduced couple of new reports as well as we added a new option called as Lead Classifier. Using this particular option, we can bifurcate a lead, like whether the lead is converted, whether lead is a cold, or whether we lost the lead, etc. kind of stuff. In case if it's the client, we can also convert into the client as well, and accordingly we can add additional stuff. So you can refer this particular stuff and you can utilize it as per your requirement. Another thing which we added is we added a facility called generate a GMB prospecting report. If I click on this GBP prospecting report, it will generate a very small but very powerful report for that particular GBP listing. So what exactly it will do? I will click on open the GBP list. Here we can see it automatically added my branding details from my profile and it will test the GBP on the different test case. It will show us which tests are passed, which tests are failed. Then accordingly, it will show us some additional stuff for user interaction. So user can identify whether this particular stuff is useful to them or not. Similarly, we can also click on edit template and from here we can make changes to all these particular static elements. This is particularly useful when we are dealing with non-English client and so on. So all that particular steps we can easily do. And we just need to make changes one time. Then once we click on save button, next time whenever we generate a new report, it will get reflected. If you want to share this particular report, simply copy the URL and we can share this particular URL to the client as well. In case if you want to send email to our client immediately, simply we need to click on send button. Then we need to choose the template which we would like to use. First we need to send the report. Then we need to choose the template. In case if we already have template, we can choose it or we can create a new one. We can customize our email with all these variable data. So we are not going to send any normal cold email. Rather than that, we are going to send very personalized email. So this is related to a short information about how the new lead module are going to work. I'm going to record some additional modules for each of the features so you can utilize it in very easy way. Thank you very much.